Almond butter versus peanut butter. Which one is healthier? In today's video, we're comparing these two popular spreads to help you decide which is best for your body and goals. Let's talk nutrition. Peanut butter packs more protein, around 8 grams per 2 tablespoons. Almond butter contains slightly less protein, about 6 grams, but it's higher in fiber, magnesium, and vitamin E. So while peanut butter is better for muscle building, almond butter offers more vitamins and minerals. Almond butter is rich in healthy monounsaturated fats that support heart health and may lower bad cholesterol. It also helps with bone strength, skin repair, and digestion. Peanut butter, on the other hand, provides energy, supports muscle recovery, and contains resveratrol, a powerful antioxidant. Peanut allergies are among the most common and can be life-threatening. Almond butter is often a safer alternative, especially in schools or shared environments. However, nut allergies vary by person. Always consult your doctor before switching. Taste and texture also matter. Almond butter is slightly sweet, smooth, and mild, great in smoothies, toast, or baking. Peanut butter is more savory and creamy, perfect for sandwiches, snacks, or energy balls. So, which is healthier? If you're focused on protein and affordability, peanut butter might win. But for heart health, extra nutrients, and a smoother taste, almond butter is the better choice. It all comes down to your dietary needs and personal preference. What's your go-to spread, almond or peanut butter? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more health and nutrition tips.